Hello viewers, I Vinod Kumar Chauhan welcomes you in my YouTube channel CQ means Chauhan Coaching Classes. In today's video we are going to solve the question number 1 of exercise 5.6. Question number 1 says name the types of following triangles. The first A part, triangles with lengths of sides 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. When we observe this, again we read this question, triangles with lengths of sides on the basis of lengths of there are three types of triangle. So we are talking about the types. The first is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle are the triangles in which all the three sides having the different measurements. All the three different measure or lengths. So when we observe this, it is 7 cm, it is 8 cm, it is 9 cm. It means in this case A, the measurement of all the three sides is different. So it is a scalene triangle. So the answer of this A part is scalene triangle. Why? Because the measurements of all the three sides is different. Now the B part, in which triangle ABC with AB equal to 8.7 cm, AC equal to 7 cm and BC equal to 6 cm. Again, it is the measurement of a triangle. The first side is having the measurement of 8.7 cm. The second is AC equal to 7 cm and BC equal to 6 cm. So first we write what is given. Given in triangle ABC, AB equal to 8.7 cm, AC equal to 7 cm and BC equal to 6 cm. So suppose we draw the figure for this. It is AB 8.7 cm. It is AC 7 cm and it is BC 6 cm. So the measurement of all the three sides is different. It is 8.7, it is 7, it is 6. So the name of this triangle is what? Name the types of following triangles. So name of this triangle ABC is what? It is scalene triangle. Why? Because the measurement of all the three sides are different. See, triangle PQR with such that PQ equal to QR equal to PR equal to 5 cm. Here all the three sides having the equal measurement, that is 5 cm. So first we write in solution, given PQ equal to QR equal to PR equal to 5 cm. It means all the three sides having the equal measurements. It is P, Q and this is R. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. It is PQ5, QR 5 and PR also 5. So on the basis of this we can say that the answer of this question is equilateral triangle, because is having the measurement of all the three sides same, equal. B part, triangle DEF with measurement of angle D equal to 90 degree. Now for this particular part, first we write given angle DEF in which measurement of angle D equal to 90 degree. We can write the types of triangles on the basis of their sides and on the basis of their angles. On the basis of their sides, on the basis of their angles. Here we can write angles because earlier three parts are based on the sides, in which two are, one is scalene, the second one is the equilateral, and the third one is the basis of their angles. The first type is acute angle triangle. Now the second is right angle triangle, and the third one is obtuse angle triangle. For this part 1, all the three angles are the acute angles. All the three angles are the acute angles, then the triangle is a acute angle triangle. For this second, at least one angle should be right angle. At least one angle. So triangle is a right angle triangle. And for this last one, third obtuse angle triangle, at least one angle should be obtuse. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. At least one angle. So the triangle is a obtuse angle triangle. Here for the part D, it is one angle 90 degree. One angle 90 degree, it means what? It is right angle triangle. So we can write here in answer, it is triangle DEF is right angle and the figure of this is, we draw here the angle D is 90 degree and it is DE and DF. At least one angle should be 90 degree, so the angle is a right angle triangle. This is the answer of this part. Triangle XYZ with measurement of angle Y equal to 90 degree and XY equal to YZ. Name the types of the triangle. So first we write given in triangle XYZ, measurement of angle Y equal to 90 degree and XY equal to YZ. First we are trying to draw the figure for this. It is a 90 degree, so one angle is right angle. It is Y and it is 90 degree. Measurement of angle Y is 90 degree. Then this and this should be XY. Suppose it is X, this is Y, and Y Z. The measurement of these two sides, the first one and the second one, these two sides are same. So it is the case of different type. The measurement of two sides are same, then on the basis of their sides we can say that this is a isosceles triangle, and on the basis of their angles, if one angle is a right angle, then it is a right angle triangle. So in answer we can write it is a isosceles right triangle. We can say it is a right angle triangle. Isosceles, why? Because the measurement of these two sides are same. And right angle, why? Because at least one angle be 90 degree be a right angle. That's why it is a isosceles right angle triangle. With measurement of angle L equal to 30 degree, measurement of angle M equal to 70 degree, and measurement of angle N equal to 80 degree. So first we write given angle L, M, N. It is measurement of angle L equal to 30 degree, measurement of angle M equal to 70 degree, and measurement of angle N equal to 80 degree. All these three are the angles. So this time we decide the type of this angle on the basis of the measurement of the angles. On the basis of the measurement of angles, this is acute angle because it is less than 90. It is also acute angle because it is also less than 90 degree. 80 degree is also less than 90 degrees, so it is also an acute angle. So all the three angles are the acute angles. It means the triangle LMN is triangle LMN is acute angle triangle. Question number 2, match the following, and there are two different columns in this question. First is measures of triangle and the second is types of triangles. In measure of triangles there are 7 options and in types of triangles there are 7 options. So in solution you write the full question again and then you start the first part. 3 sides of equal lengths. Here it is 3 sides, all the 3 sides of equal lengths. On the basis of the sides, all the 3 sides are equal, then it is matching with the E, equilateral triangle. So the answer of the first part is E. Now second, 2 sides of equal lengths. 2 sides of equal lengths, again we are talking about the sides and this time the sides are 2 and they are equal. So it is matching with the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, 2 sides having the same measurement. All sides are of different lengths. It means again it is based on the sides and this time 3 sides are different. So it is a scalene triangle A because scalene triangle is having the different measure of all the 3 sides. Now the fourth part, 3 acute angles. Acute angles, all the 3 angles are acute angles. It is acute angle triangle. Now fifth part, 1 right angle. Right angle, 1, at least 1 angle should be right. It is a right angle triangle. So the answer of this part is D. And the sixth part, 1 obtuse angle. At least 1 angle should be obtuse. So it is a obtuse angle triangle. This is the C part. And this is the 7th, last part, 1 right angle with 2 sides of equal lengths. 1 right angle, it means it is a right angle triangle and 2 sides having the same length or equal length. It means it is a isosceles triangle. So here we can write the isosceles right angle. It is B. Answer of this part is B. So like this we can match the columns. Third, name each of the following triangles in 2 different ways. You may judge the nature of the angles by observation. This is the first figure. First figure, figure A, in which one triangle is shown here. And in this triangle there are 3 sides. One is having the measurement of 8 cm, second one is 5 cm, the third one is 5 cm. So after observing this figure, we can say that these 2 measurements are the same. So the name of this triangle is isosceles triangle on the basis of the measurement of the sides. And then the next name is, it is a acute angle triangle because all these angles are less than 90 degree when we measure with the help of the protractor. So we can say that the name of this triangle is acute angle triangle. Angle isosceles now the figure B, in which one side is having the measurement 15 centimeter, other one is 17 centimeter, the third one is 8 centimeter. So the name of this triangle is, all the three sides having the different measurements, so the name of this triangle is scalene triangle, because the measurement of all the three sides is different and one angle is right angle. At least one angle is right angle, so it is a right angle triangle also. So we can write here right angle triangle. Figure C. In this figure, the measurement of these two sides is same and this third one is different. And one angle is more than 90 degrees, so it is a obtuse angle triangle. So we can write here obtuse angle and isosceles triangle. These two sides having the same measurement 10 centimeter, and this one is a right angle. So again the name of this triangle is isosceles. The name of the measurement of two sides is same. Right angle triangle. In this figure, the measurement of all these three sides is same, so it is a equilateral triangle. And in equilateral triangle, this is acute angle triangle less than 90. It is also a acute. This one is also a acute. So all the three angles are acute. Means the less than 90 degree or a right angle. So we can write here it is a acute angle triangle. Now the part F. In this figure F, measurement of all the three sides is different because one is having 15, the other one is 10, the last one is 9, and one right angle is here. So it is not a right angle, it is more than a right angle, so it is a obtuse angle. So we can write here obtuse and scalene angle triangle.